Toyota Rav-4 brake noise. Look how much play is in this caliper bracket and or pads. Every time you hit the brake, they move and they make noise. Sounds like a loose caliper. So either the bracket's worn or shitty pads or somebody ground it down to fit. Either way, no bueno.